Chef Taylor here. I'm here with my special helpers, and today we are making Disneyland Churros! So before we get started, let me introduce you to my special helpers. This is Chef
Isaac,
Chef
Abrielle,
and Chef
Sarah.
So I have Chef Abrielle, Isaac, and Sarah here to help me. We just made some really fun chef hats, and we are about to get started.
First, combine water, butter, salt, and 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon in a saucepan over medium heat. Bring the pot to a boil, stir, and reduce heat to low. Add flour and stir until dough is formed. Remove from heat and let it rest for 5 to 7 minutes. While the dough is resting, pour 1 1/2 cups vegetable oil into a medium skillet over medium-high heat. Next, add 3 eggs into the dough mixture, one at a time, and stir together. After, spoon the dough into a large plastic baggie and let an adult cut off the corner. Also, let an adult pipe the dough mixture into a pan of oil as small or as long as you'd like. While the dough is frying, mix 1/2 cup of sugar and 3/4 teaspoon cinnamon together in a separate bowl. Be sure to let an adult use tongs to flip the churros until all sides are golden brown. Next, remove the churros from the pan and roll them around in the cinnamon sugar mixture. And there you have it, warm and delicious Disneyland churros.
And just like that, we finished our churros. What do you guys think? Good?
Yeah.
Good. They look and smell delicious. So that's all for today. Bye, guys.